Hello everyone, welcome to my channel YouTube video. Now I'm gonna explain you all about adjunct. This video gonna contains about the definition of adjunct and the characteristic, the type, and I will give you some example. So we move for the first is the definition. Adjunct, a word, phrase, or clause that can be removed from the sentence without making it wrong in grammar. Adjunct use add additional information to sentence, which create an additional meaning and make more specific sentence. An adjunct is usually function as an adverb. It generally modifies a verb when used as an adverb. So let's move on to the characteristic. The characteristic of adjunct is the first one, like there is optional. Removing the adjunct does not change the meaning of the sentence. So when we remove like the back of the sentence, they're not gonna be change the meaning of the sentence. So the second is flexible placement. Can appear at the beginning, at the middle, or end of the sentence, but adjunct is especially at the behind of the sentence. And the third is answer question like when, where, how, why, and how often. And the fourth is multiple adjuncts can appear in a sentence. For example, like she worked hard in the morning. So the multiple adjunct is hard. Okay, let's to the function. The first is time adjunct. When the adjunct modifies the verb by talks about its time, it's example like we will be there after the match. After the match is adjunct because when we remove the after the match, you can use we will be there. It's they have a right direction and still not change the meaning. And the second is place adjunct. It will talk about of the action place. So for the example like they called me from their car. From their car is a adjunct because they call me is the main of the sentence. Like when we remove the from their car, they absolutely know that they call you, they call me. Okay, next is manner adjunct. Example like we made it with a lot of passion. So manner is consists about the feeling and how do you describe like some describe something about your feeling. And then next is decree adjunct. The example like I completely changed my style. I completely, it's an adjunct and it's the first from the first sentence. So like I will said before, adjunct can be flexible. It can be in the middle, it can be in the first of the sentence, and it can be a last of the sentence. And the last is frequency adjunct. Talks about how much the action done. Like example, she often go to the gym. Often is a adjunct because when you remove the often, she goes to gym. We know where she goes. And the question for the adjunct is when. Okay, and next let's move on to do next is type. There are three types of adjunct. The first is single adjunct, like let me give you some example. She bought me a sandwich today. She bought me a sandwich. you can remove the today. Okay, it's a single adjunct, and the second is praise adjunct. Let me give you the example. Is Mia left his house to join the party. To join the party is adjunct. It's a praise. To join the party is the praise, and you can combine it with the sentence, and it's gonna be praise adjunct. And then the third is clause adjunct. Let me give you the example. The example is she will leave her office after the meeting gets over. After the meeting gets over, it's a adjunct, because when you remove that, it will not change the meaning of the sentence. And why is a clause? Because there's a subject and there's a predicate after the meeting gets over. Okay, that's all about I want to tell you guys about the adjunct. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for watching my video, and goodbye.